Hi, good afternoon children. Welcome to EVS session, class first standard, subject EVS. Come to revision part, that is unit 8, all important water. Here, put yes or no. Put yes or no. First question come to here, we drink dirty water. We drink dirty water, children. Yes? Shall I put yes? No. We drink a dirty water. Answer is no. Answer is no. We drink dirty water. No. We drink a clean water. Okay? If we drink a dirty water, we may fall sick. So, we have to drink clean water. Next, we can drink sea water, children. Huh? Why sea water? Why we can't drink sea water? Because sea water contains a salt and minerals in greater proportion. So we can't drink a sea water. So we can drink sea water. Answer is no. Answer is no. We can drink sea water. No. Next come to third point. We must drink lots of water. Yes? We must drink lots of water, children. Yes. We must drink lots of water. Yes. Answer is yes. We must drink lots of water. Because if we drink lots of water, there is a strong and healthy. Our body will be strong and healthy. So we must drink lots of water. Next come to fourth point. Plants need water to live. Is it plants need water, children? Is it animals need water, children? Yes, plants need water to live. That is answer is yes. Plants need water to live. Yes. Next come to fifth one. Animals will die without water. Animals will die without water. Yes, if animals will not drink water, automatically the animals will die. Even also we drink at a leave of 4 to 5 hours we can't drink water. How we feel? We get tired. Yes or no? So that's why we have to drink a clean water. You have to drink lots of water. 7 to 8 of glasses of water you have to drink. Like animals also die without water. Animals will die without water. Yes. Answer is yes. Next come to last point. We must save every drop of water. Yes, water is very precious. Water is very important. We have to save a single drop of water. So, we must save every drop of water. Answer is yes. Understood, children? Yes. Come here. I repeat once again. Put yes or no. First point. We drink dirty water. No. Second, we can drink sea water. No. We must drink lots of water. Yes. We must drink lots of water. Yes. Plants need water to live. Yes. Plants need water to live. Yes. Next come to fifth one. Animals will die without water. Yes. Animals will die without water. Yes. Next come to we must save every drop of water. Yes. We must save every drop of water. Yes. Understood? Understood, children? Please read this lesson. Read this topic. Put yes or no. In examination they may ask. Okay? Okay, children? Yes. Tomorrow we will go for the next lesson. Okay? Bye, children. Have a good day and take care.